Hello guys, today I am at your service with a new and attractive idea. You must also love glamorous and exciting Bollywood movies, and you always wanted to be able to make videos with the same quality and charm. But you may have thought that this work requires professional equipment and high costs. That's right, it's not. Guys, you must want to know more about full HD videos for me YouTube channel. With 761 videos uploaded and 1.4 million subscribers, this channel is one of the most popular YouTube channels in the field of Bollywood videos. But what really makes this channel special is the incredibly high number of views on its videos. Some videos of this channel have had more than 315 million views. These numbers show the strength and attractiveness of the content of this channel's videos. Now the question is, can you make videos like this channel? The answer is yes. But the most interesting thing is that we are going to do it completely free and using artificial intelligence. Yes, you can make an amazing Bollywood video from 0 to 100 with the help of free tools and artificial intelligence, without the need for complicated equipment or expensive expenses. So let's get started. The first step to making a video like full HD videos for me videos is choosing a scene. Where the topic is appropriate, you can choose one of the videos of this channel as a template. Check out the scenes used in that video carefully and see what makes them so interesting. Let's get started. Guys, first watch the video. Most powerful artificial intelligence tools, ChatGPT. This tool can help you accurately simulate interesting scenes from Bollywood movies. Just ask ChatGPT to simulate 10 scenes from Bollywood movies for you. Prepare a prompt. You can also give ChatGPT the names of the movies you would like to shoot scenes from. This tool is easy to understand and prepares suitable prompts for you. For example, you can say, "Dear ChatGPT, please give me 10 scenes from Bollywood movies that contain fight, love, and happiness." Name the movies you want. ChatGPT will instantly process your request and prepare detailed and attractive scenes for you. Each scene will contain details that you can use to make your video. Well guys, now that we have taken help from ChatGPT to get some awesome prompts from Bollywood movie scenes, it's time to move on to the next step in making our amazing video. In this step, we are going to use one of the best and most powerful artificial intelligence tools called Hyper.ai. How to work with Hyper.ai. First, log into Hyper.ai. If you do not have an account yet, you must create a new account. Fortunately, the registration process on this site is very simple and only takes a few minutes. After signing up and logging into your account, you'll have access to a bunch of great tools that can help you convert text, images, and even audio to video. Why we should use Hyper.ai. This powerful tool provides unparalleled possibilities for creating videos from various sources such as text, images, and even audio. You can use it to turn anything into a video, and that means all the prompts you received from ChatGPT can be turned into professional videos. Unique features of Hyper.ai. One of the standout features of Hyper.ai over other similar tools is that the site allows you to create videos up to 8 seconds, while many other sites usually only allow you to create videos up to 4 seconds. This advantage allows you to create more detailed and professional videos that can have a greater impact on your audience. Step 2. Using the text-to-video tool. One of the most powerful tools of Hyper.ai is the text-to-video feature. It allows you to easily convert text received from ChatGPT into video. Just enter prompts containing detailed descriptions of scenes from Bollywood movies into this tool. Go to Hyper.ai, copy the text of the prompts that ChatGPT made for you, and enter it in the special text field. Choose settings related to video style, format, and other details. Bollywood should match. This includes choosing visual effects, audio type, and even background music. Click the Create Video button. Now the AI will start working and turn your text into an attractive video. Step 3. Review and edit the created video after. After creating the video, you can review it and make changes if needed. Hyper.ai provides features for editing your video, including changing scenes, visuals, adding special effects, and even rearranging audio and music. These features will help you fine-tune your final video exactly how you want it. Step 4. Add images and graphics to the video. Another cool feature of Hyper.ai is the image-to-video capability. This tool allows you to import various images that you have collected from the scenes of Bollywood movies and turn them into attractive animated videos. This feature can make your video richer and more spectacular and add more visual effects to it. Make a professional Bollywood video using ChatGPT and Hyper.ai. Using ChatGPT and Hyper.ai, you can create a professional and attractive Bollywood video from scratch. Make up to 100. This process shows how you can produce high-quality content without the need for expensive and complex equipment. These tools not only help you create creative and engaging videos, but do it completely free and using advanced artificial intelligence technologies. Now that everything is ready, there's no stopping you from getting started. Use these awesome tools and make amazing Bollywood videos that will captivate your audience. Now it's time to take your video to the next level. Background music can have a huge impact on the appeal of your video and help you convey more emotion to your audience. To make your video look more like a real Bollywood movie, you need to choose a suitable song. Go to your YouTube channel. Now type the word movie in the YouTube search bar. This will help you access background music designed for movies and cinematic videos. Choosing a song from the search results that matches the style and content of your video. It's best to choose a song that adds a sense of excitement, drama, or love to your video, because these feelings are very common in Bollywood movies. How to edit your video into a professional work. A comprehensive and lengthy guide using CapCut. Part 1. Introduction to CapCut and the importance of professional editing. Now that you've gone through the basics of producing your Bollywood video, it's time to edit it into a professional piece. CapCut is one of the video editing tools that has become very popular due to its simple interface and many features. This program is available on both mobile and computer, and allows you to edit your videos with high quality in a simple and user-friendly way. Video editing is one of the most important steps in content production, because it can greatly affect the quality and final appeal of the video. Without proper editing, even the best footage may result in poor quality and unattractive results. Part 2. Video editing steps in CapCut. 1. Import downloaded videos. The first step in video editing is to import the video files you have already downloaded from Hyper.ai. This step is very important because without having all the parts of the video, you cannot do a comprehensive and complete editing. Also at this point, import the background track you've already chosen into your project. Having the right background music can greatly affect the appeal of the video and turn it into a professional work. This song can set the mood of the video, so choosing it is very important. 2. Import videos in granular form. To have more control over video details, I recommend importing your videos individually into CapCut. This allows you to edit each part of the video separately and make it more interesting. Importing videos in granular form helps you to work on each section carefully and make the necessary changes. This allows you to edit your videos more precisely and ensure that no detail is missed. 3. Adjust the video speed. One of the most effective ways to increase the appeal of a video is to play with its speed. You can adjust the video speed according to the mood of different scenes. For example, in emotional scenes, slowing down the video can add depth and emotion to the video, while in action and exciting scenes, increasing the speed can help intensify the excitement and energy. This technique will help you create the atmosphere you want in the video and provide a unique viewing experience for the viewers. 4. Adding special effects, zoom, etc. You can use special effects like zoom to make certain scenes stand out and grab the viewer's attention. This technique helps you direct the viewer to important parts of your video and evoke certain emotions. Using other CapCut effects and settings can also help you make your video more realistic. For example, you can use lighting effects or color changes to change the mood of different scenes and increase the visual appeal of the video. 5. Grouping all videos. After editing each scene, you need to group all your videos to become a complete and unified video. This allows you to connect all the parts seamlessly and create a continuous and smooth flow in the video. Grouping videos also allows you to apply final changes to the video and ensure that all parts are coordinated and integrated. 6. Bollywood-style video size adjustment. To make your video look more like Bollywood movies, you need to adjust the size of the video so that the top and bottom of the video are black. This cinematic technique known as letterboxing, gives your video a special and professional look and gives it a more cinematic and attractive look. 7. Adding music and final effects. Now that you've grouped and resized your videos, it's time to add background music to the video. The background music gives a certain rhythm and feeling to the video and can increase its effectiveness. In addition to adding music, you can use more sound effects and special effects to complete the video. This allows you to turn your video into a perfect final product that will captivate any viewer. 8. Video review. After you finish editing, review your video several times to make sure everything is set up correctly. Video review allows you to identify and correct any errors or defects and ensure the final quality of the video. If necessary, apply the final changes so that your video is complete and flawless. This step is very important because a high quality and flawless video will have more impact on the viewers. Thank you for being with me until the end of this video. If this tutorial was useful to you and helped you produce engaging and professional videos, please subscribe to my channel. By doing this, you will benefit from my latest fascinating tutorials and you will never miss future tutorials. Your like on the video gives me energy to produce more videos and prepare different tutorials for you. With your support, I can create better educational content that will help you be more successful in the world of content creation. Until the next video, God bless.